Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been in my office quite a bit lately. There's a reason for that. One, I don't really feel like using my microphone. And two, I don't have my backyard really set up for fall yet. I'm currently doing a little tablescape out there, and I just want to get it looking a little cuter before I film some videos, because it was a little bit of a disaster last week when I was bringing all of my plants inside for the winter months, and I'm not quite finished. So this is my filming station for the time being. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I have a propagation station, if you will, here that I was sent by a company. Hold on. I got this from a company that reached out to me and was pretty much super sweet. You know, hey, we love your channel. We have a few plant related items. We thought maybe you could take a look at the site and see if you wanted to pick something out, and maybe we could send it to you and you can leave your honest review. So I was like, cool, I'll check it out. I did. They didn't have a lot of stuff, but they did have this one item here. It looks super cute. I'm going to do a close-up of the pieces here, but it came in quite a bit of pieces with some parts, and it did not come with any instructions. So yeah, I am going to attempt to put this together on camera and hopefully maybe you guys can you guys can't help me out along the way, because this is not live. Maybe I should have went live for this. That probably would have been a better idea. But anyway, and then I am going to be filming a separate video all about my string of hearts and just a few care tips and how I propagate my string of hearts. And I'm going to use this, hopefully, if I could get it put together, to propagate my string of hearts. All right, so let me show you a close-up of these pieces, and you let me know what you think. Or yeah, in the comments, because hopefully I can get it together before the end of the video. Okay, so here we have it. Piece number 1, coffee. Piece number 2, we have these, well, we have the vessel here. So this is the propagation vessel, and it feels like it's glass, but it's pretty thin. So I'm not sure if it's glass or if it's like a plexiglass of some sort, but there's that. Then there's these 2 wooden pieces. It's kind of supposed to connect here and then be on a little stand, like so. And I can't figure out which of these holes it's supposed to go in, so we'll do that. And then there's the bar here, and this simply slides through, I want to say the top one, and then it also slides through this, and see how there's that hole there for it to slide on through so it can hang. Okay. And then here's the pieces that we are working with. For one, I don't know why there's 3 of these little rubber washers. I get the 2 and 2. I just don't know what goes to what. I'm gonna say that maybe one of these are extra. Maybe these 2 go on either side of this black bar just to kind of hold it in place. And then the nuts go with the bolts. Bolts go with the... Anyway, whatever. Let's put this back on the tripod and see if we can figure it out. All right, sip of coffee. I'll put you aside. All right, we are going to keep it zoomed in here so we can kind of see what we're doing here. All right, so I'm gonna take this, and I wanna say this goes inside because it's thinner than the other piece. I'm gonna start by attaching these to the bottom piece just to see, because that looks like once it's together, it might stand properly, and then the bar could fit right here. I'm gonna attempt it. We'll see what happens. We'll put this one in through here. I mean, that doesn't even have to screw in though, so I don't know why they included an Allen wrench if it doesn't, it just slides in. Okay. Oh, maybe because it has to connect with the bolts, probably. Okay, so let's put the bolt on there. We'll do that one. See how there's like a little gap in between there? They don't really stand flush. So maybe the Allen wrench will tighten it up to where it will tighten the wood, and we'll find out. I think we want it to stand kind of like that. So let's see, make sure that this will, see how that goes in there? I think that that's right, actually. Huh, if I get this on the first try, props to me, because I am not good at things like this. Yeah, see, so it slides right into the vessel there. I think that that looks good. I mean, even if that's not how it's supposed to go, I think that that looks good. I just want to say that this should be a little lower. So I don't know if it's supposed to go into this second hole. I don't think so though, because then it would stand like, it would be really low like this if these matched up here. I don't know. We're gonna do this way and see what the outcome is. All right, let's take the Allen wrench and we're gonna tighten them up in here. So I guess just hold the bolt while you tighten. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like a dum-dum right now. I mean, my first impression of the company was they were super sweet to reach out and to tell me they love my channel. Even though they're not a plant-based company, they sell like odds and ends. They are based in Beijing. So total disclaimer, this took like 2.5 weeks to get to me, so I'm kind of glad I didn't pay money for it. Okay, this is tightening it. So that's one. This is just a little difficult to hold the bolt or the nut. Is that a nut or a bolt? Same thing, right? Okay, that works. Look. Okay, and you can kind of adjust it, I guess. All right, now we're going to attempt, oh my God. We're gonna attempt to see what these little doodads do over here, these little black pieces. Okay, I mean, that looks cute, right? It's a little crooked, like the glass, when they burn the holes in the glass, it didn't line up very well, but you can see how it's a little crooked, but whatevs. So you think that's a good height? Or maybe we could go, oh, maybe we could go a little lower. That's kind of cute. But see, this is kind of bothering me that it's like over the top here. I wish it was lower, like within the frame. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I think that's cute. And I also think it's kind of cool that you can adjust it to fit your shelf. So like if you had a thinner shelf, you could probably get away with just doing that and having, you know, it on a thin shelf. If you have a thicker shelf, you can go a little wider. I like that. I do like that. Okay, let's pop these pieces on here, see if they fit. And they do fit, so I'm assuming that's what they're for. They're just like little rubber stoppers so that this doesn't come out of the frame, which definitely makes sense because it's quite loose in there, so you don't want this to go falling out. See, and now it doesn't move as easily. Oh, wow, I'm really proud of myself. And they gave an extra washer. I figured it out with no instructions. Look at that. Yay! All right, guys, let me get back in the picture here. There, that's better. Thank you so much for joining me in this weird video. I like it. It's cute. I just wish it came with instructions, and I wish it didn't take like 2.5 weeks to ship. But I will leave the info for this in the the description box below if you guys want to order it. Just remember, it will take a while to get to you. but I think it's really cute. And I'm excited to use it in my next video with featuring my string of hearts, and we'll use it. And then that'll be the true test, right? All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Got a lot of fun stuff coming up. Bye, guys. Whee! Whoosh. Okay, let me not do that because I'm gonna break it. Bye.